Hey guys, we just got a project finished up there on the lakes, got both those docks done. Now we're back in Gulf Breeze. We're on the barge, we're pushing over to High Point. We got a dock over there that I built 20 years ago that's ready to be replaced, so we're going to pull that one up and get it replaced. Got some Captain Smiles back there on the barge, pushing the barge. It's his first time doing a long push, so we'll see how he does. Captain Smiles, that's right. First mate Carson. Hey guys, dock I built 20 years ago, getting ready to demo that. It's seen its best time, so we're going to go ahead and tear that out and get it replaced, put some Trex decking on, a customer saved. So we'll get everything pulled out, get it hauled to the reclaim yard, and then start putting some new pilings in, a new boat lift in. Everything's coming out, headed to the reclaim yard. 2x6 radius edge decking. It's about 20 years old. I built this thing 20 years ago. Got a few good pilings on it also.
Yeah, you're right. I can see it now. Yeah, it's got a little thing at the end. Don't charge.
Made some really good progress on this one. We got the boat lift pole set, waiting on the lift to come in. We got the deck framed up, waiting on some additional decking. Customer's using some decking that he had recycled, so we ran out of what he had, so we're going to go buy some new stuff to finish up the platform. We're wrapping this project up now. We got as much done as we can get done on it. We're waiting on some boat lifts to come in. Once those boat lifts come in, we'll get them installed and have this completely wrapped up. Now we're fixing to get out of here to get onto another big retainer wall that's failing and seawall that's failing and take on an old dock, probably about 200-300 foot long. Hey guys, thanks for checking out the page. I appreciate it. If you get a chance, subscribe to it if you like it. Give me a thumbs up and a comment in the comment box. Thanks. Got plenty more projects coming up right after this one.